Yo, what's up, guys? I'm in the clutch and we're back on COD. Today we're gonna do a little different. So I've been grinding this exact right here. For everyone who plays COD knows exactly what I'm doing. So I've never truly used these, and I just finally unlocked them today, and I got them gold. But I was using the singular one. I'm gonna be using the real one with the snake shot, doubles, as gold, and we're going to munch. So this is basically one of the first times I'm using these. So let's see if they're real hype. I know I heard that they were actually nerfed, but we will see about that. And we're running riot shields because we're gonna play like that. Now, just so you know, if any of you guys play with an actual riot shield, you guys are kind of he. You're kind of a B. But we're doing shipment 24/7. I'm gonna be honest, I grind this game mode. I love shipment. I do. I could play this game mode all day. Like, I don't know, there's just nothing I don't like about it. Small map, dude, it's a fire map. Until you see people using RPGs in this tiny ass map and you just wanna go, oh, I wanna beat the shit out of you. Oh, God. So this is how hard can we munch with snake eyes or snake shots or whatever you want to call them. I don't know what the real names of them are. Okay. Okay, let's see if they're the hype. Let's see if they really were nerfed.
Kill confirmed. Shoot to kill.
Fucked in the ass already. Oh my god. Fuck up. I don't know what to do again. That's kind of
Kill
steady.
confirmed.
Wow, that's fucking mean, dude. Like, I can't. Oh, my batteries are low. That's... Yep. I'm an Xbox person, yeah. Batteries. Oh my god, dude. I'm not punching with them right now.
Losing ground. Focus.
Come on, let's... Dude, that aim!
Enemy in the dump.
Oh, dude, I don't do that. What are we?
Kill confirmed.
Yep. I do. Like, I can't fight someone without being shot from behind. I can't. That is not how this game
Enemy
works.
is over.
Like,
Enemy UAV overhead.
interesting. Oh my god. I'm getting fucking lasered by this beetle. Like, oh.
Enemy at the fortress. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies in the air.
You like, fuck off, Vito, you stupid shit. Like, I'll fucking slap you like a little fool you are. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know about this one. Did they get like a fucking nerf from this morning? Like, dude, this morning I was literally punching with them. Like, what the fuck? Come on, let's fucking... Oh my god. Man, I could literally... Didn't That pistol though, for some reason, seems so sweaty. Yeah, fuck you, reloading. Oh, dude, I can literally smack you like the little bitch you are. Can you, like, not fucking suck for fucking right now? Oh, man. Why are they being so garbage right now? They definitely did get that. They definitely did. Like, they're fucking so ass.
Kill confirmed.
Like, it's crazy. It's truly crazy how this game is just so awful. Like, can you fucking watch my back, you stupid fucking asshole? Fuck. I don't know what I was doing. Like, I don't like my fucking joystick moves like an inch and it fucking goes like 4 meters. That's the thing. They're never in front of me. They're always behind me. You definitely knew I was coming on.
Enemy in the water.
I was about to say, where the fuck are my bullets going? Like, dude, like, is there like some fucking way they're just going through their fucking noggin? This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm talking about. I can never fight someone without. And then, like, dude, the spawns in this map, I love this map, but dude, the spawns in this fucking map are just so garbage.
Kill
Like,
confirmed.
if that person right there was fucking good, he would have realized I was right next to him. He could have killed me. But, probably a fucking, some sort of fucking brain disease.
Enemy in the cargo container.
Okay, Jesus.
Enemy in the
Oh,
dumpster.
man, you're a little pussy.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy down.
Fuck me, man.
The cargo container.
Oh, dude, first game with them, I have no clue what to say about them, dude. They're kind of like, ugh. They're like, ugh. God, dude. Oh, man. This game makes me freak out. Yeah, and we go negative because this game's awful. God. And I had one of the least amount of kills, too. Oh, dude, I could... Like, this controller truly could be, like, through the wall outside. Dude, and then this game mode is just so shit. Like, dude, my game chat doesn't work. Just so you know, if my game chat worked, I'd literally be in game chat all the time, and I'd be, oh, dude, look, they have a full clan. Oh, God, they're about to be fucking, they're about to be bees. I don't want to hear their shit, because I can't talk back to them. If I could talk back to them, then they'll be fucking there. If any of them have anything to say, I'll literally say some shit back. And earlier today, actually like a few hours ago, Quad had an update. If you guys want to know, it's actually 3:50 in the morning. There was an update like 3 hours ago of Black Lives Matter. See, exactly right that. No life matters more than another.
Team deathmatch. Enemy incoming. Weapons ready.
Oh my God, fucking bitch.
Enemy at the cargo container. They've taken the lead.
Like, what? He was literally in my grill. He was literally in my grill, and he was. Oh God, dude, this game is terrible. This game is terrible. Like, can you fucking like take care of him? Shit. Where's my bullshit? Where's my bullshit? See, these are what I'm talking about. The spawns are terrible in this game. Holy shit.
Airstrike incoming. Beware.
Oh my God. Wow, you just got shit on. You're terrible. You're terrible.
Allied UAV overhead.
You're terrible.
Enemy Falcon secured.
Oh, well, that's dude, my fucking one of my earbuds fell out.
Enemies in the area. Enemy cluster struck. Enemy UAV overhead. Cruise missile ready to launch.
Yep. People who use fire shotguns, I want you guys to know this. If you use a fire shotgun, I hate you. No, I don't hate you, but like, why? Why use them? Tell me, like, are you really trying to get it gold? Like, if that's a reason. I talk lots of trash, just saying. Because I get very upset when I die. I don't know which way to aim. Like the amount of hit markers these are giving me is making me truly fucking like.
Stand out. UAV is ready for flight. Cruise missile ready to launch.
Yeah, there's the fire shot. Yeah, fuck it, why not? Literally do it right in the middle of the open, right? Why not? Did that just get a hit marker? Oh, I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. Yep. Good game.
Allied UAV overhead. Enemy ended up.
I was truly about to say.
Enemy at the cargo container.
Oh my God. I'm scared of it.
We are winning. Increase the lead.
Dude, this guy's jumping on me like he's fucking Giannis. Yeah, just kill me. Just kill me. Ugh.
Thank you.
Dude, like, these are really disappointing me. Gosh, like, what else am I supposed to say? You know what? I'm fucking ending it there. I can't. So, my final thoughts on this weapon are they definitely have been nerfed. They definitely have to have been, because whenever I fucking go against them, dude, they're the strongest things on the fucking planet. The strongest. God, like, am I just not rocking it right? Like, I got the fucking, obviously that, I got that. I got a fucking laser, I got that shit, dude, like the damage and fire rate are up there, dude, like, I don't know, man. My final thoughts are, not worth the hype. I would not say good. I wouldn't say absolute garbage, but I would say just for the you're just worthless. Okay, so I'm gonna end it there. Now, if you guys could hit the subscribe button and leave a like, that'd be amazing. I'm in the clutch. See ya.